So we have already connected to the database. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to create a table with the first table is with the table name user. So in the inside the user, we are going to give the attributes like user ID, name, email, password, phone number. And the first table is created. The next table that we are going to create is the table event. The table name is event. So inside it, there are attributes like event ID, event name, date, venue, description, etc. So here the table is created. Then the next table is the venue. Inside it, the attributes venue ID, name, address, city, state, country, etc. So the table is created again. So the last table that we are going to create is the table with the name ticket. So inside it, the attributes like ticket ID, event ID, user ID, seat number, price, and status is given. So all the four tables are created. So we are gonna view the tables that we are created. So in order to view that, we are gonna use the disk, which is describe command. And after the disk, we are gonna give the table name which we have to see. So here you can see first we are gonna view the table which is user. So here we can see the table that we have already created. So the next table that we are gonna view is the table event. Inside it, we can see the table with the attributes like event ID, event name, date, time, venue ID, description, etc. So again, we are gonna view the next table that we have created earlier, which is venue. So inside it, the venue ID, name, address, city, state, country, those attributes are also given here. So the next table we have created earlier was the ticket. So we are gonna view the table which is ticket. So inside it, we can see the table. So these are the attributes like ticket ID, event ID, user ID, seat number, price, status, etc. So next thing we are going to do is alter the table. So the alter the table means we have already created some tables. So we can modify those existing tables. For that, the alter command is used. So the first thing we are going to do is alter the table, the user table. So inside we are gonna add age. So we are gonna add another column like age. So we have created the command and the table is altered. So we have created a earlier column which is age. So we are gonna drop it. The drop is used to remove the existing column from the table user. So the table is also altered. So we are going to rename the existing table, which is venue, to the new name location. So the table name is renamed here. So the next thing we are going to do is alter the table, modify description. So we are going to modify the description event. The next thing is we are going to inside the table name ticket, there is some attributes like column. So we are gonna modify it and remove it. So after the modifying of description, now we are gonna drop the column of drop the column called a seat number inside the table ticket. So after that, we are gonna rename the column called as user ID to ID in the table user. So the table is being altered. So after that, we are gonna add another column called as the barcode inside the table ticket. So the table is being altered. So we are gonna modify the name of the table location. So after this, we are going to create another table called as students, and the table is being created. So the next step is that we are going to see the table that we have created. So for that, we are using the command called as desk. So desk followed by the table name. So as you can see, the table here. So next, we are going to create another table called as the department. So the table is being created, and we can see the table as well as the values that we are added inside this. So the primary key has been added. So there should be not any duplicate values. So the next table, employees, also has been created, in which the primary key has been allocated. So the table is being created, and as you can see, the table that we have created here.